Okay, so today I am using the MX Ink Pen, and one of the main things is to try and get this to work with Unity 6, because then you don't have your lovely logo at the start saying that this was made in Unity. So there's a bit of a trick to do this at the moment, so I'm just going to quickly take you through how to do this today. So the first thing we're going to do is just open up a quick project in Unity 6. I've got 39 version at the moment, but I think you can use this with any of them that have come out. So quickly build a project, just going to be a lovely blank scene, and then when that's loaded, just delete everything in that scene to start with. So the next thing we're going to do is bring in the Meta all-in-one SDK. But here's the crucial thing. You cannot use the latest one. You need to use version 68.02. That's the only one that I found works well with Unity 6 at the moment. You're going to lose a bit of the functionality of things that have come out, but you're going to be able to use this pen, and the main one is get rid of that splash screen at the start. So we're going to install this. This obviously takes a few minutes, restarts when it's done. Save the scene, of course. So that comes back. We're going to go into project settings. We're going to install all of our XAR plugin management. See, this takes a few minutes again. I'm just sticking with Oculus. Obviously later on we're using OpenXR, but just to get this working and showing you how to do this, put it on the PC, put it on Android settings, and then we go into project validation. I'm just quickly going to say fix all to both of these just to get us going. Excellent. So when that's done, we need to install the Logitech SDK. So I'm going to show you where to download it. It's available in the comments. You can do a quick Google and find it. So yeah, I'll just bring it up now. Yeah, it has the OpenXR version. We're using the Meta version. Make sure you get the Unity 6. It's slightly different to 2022, which does work as well on the previous versions. Import that, and there's not really much to bring over. It's just a few assets, materials, meshes, scripts and things. Wait for that to finish. You shouldn't have any problems at this point. And then we have our Logitech folder, and the most important one, we've got the MX Ink actions in there. You need to go into your project settings, you need to go into Meta XR, input actions, and place it under the input action sets. This allows it to actually talk to the pen. This is the part that isn't working with later versions. And next, we're just going to quickly build a scene, add the camera rig, add pass-through, add controllers. We don't really need them, but it's actually just required for this pen because it wants to turn them off. Drag over the MX Ink, add in the two controllers that you've just put in place. There's a lovely little drawing app which we're going to use. Drag that over and put the stylus handle inside. Excellent. So the next thing is to do a quick build. So we're going to go in, we're going to change this over to Android. So we need to switch the platform. Again, this takes quite a few minutes, but luckily the first time we've done it, it's all fine. And then the main thing that we are looking at doing, of course, is getting rid of that splash screen. So let's just go back into the project settings, into player, and because we're using Unity 6, we can get rid of it. Woohoo! So we don't have made with Unity. Let's just change the color of the pen so I can show you this is a different build and a different version that we're using. Back into build profiles, connect up the headset, build, save it, and wait for it all to compile and run. Eventually it will deploy to your headset, and then put on your headset. You should already have it all connected up with your pen. There's always instructions on how to do that. and then just go in, and then here we go, lovely new color. So this is a very quick version of how to get everything going. It is just really pointing out that it's version 68.02 that you are going to acquire. Build everything, and really is a great platform to start with. You can do other things from there, but that's another one for another day. But hope to see you again soon. Cheers.